Hi, I'm Mike visiting Payam Data Recovery's lab in Australia to show you what happens behind the scenes. Today I'm sitting with Payam himself, the owner, working on a SanDisk 32GB SD card belonging to Sebastian from Sydney. The card was throwing a formatting required error. A camera shop had already tried, copied the files to a USB stick, and none of them would play. Sebastian asked for the urgent service. Payam starts by checking the USB stick the customer dropped off with the card. It's full of corrupted videos, leftovers from a previous recovery attempt that didn't work. He sets it aside and goes straight to the SD card. He clones it sector by sector on the Atola Insight Forensic, a professional imaging tool used by data recovery and police labs around the world. The card images cleanly to 100%, no read errors, no bad sectors. The chip is healthy, the damage is logical, not physical, but every standard tool fails. UFS Explorer sees the partition as damaged and freezes on a deep scan. Our Studio and File Scavenger do the same. He switches to a USB card reader, scans with 3 different programs, and they all save files that look right on paper, correct sizes, correct dates, but none of them will play. Then Payam remembers a job from years ago, a Sony camera with a similar high bitrate codec where only one tool ever worked. He pulls out Disk Drill, a program he rarely reaches for. It scans, it saves, and every file plays perfectly. 21 video files, 22GB of car racing footage, all recovered. The file names and dates were lost in the corruption, so Payam runs the files through Claude Cowork to read the embedded metadata and rename everything back to the original file names and timestamps. A file listing and a video preview go out by email. Within the hour, Sebastian is at the Rhodes office collecting his data on a 1TB external drive. Start to finish, the job took about 3 hours, same day. Anyone can run software and do the easy jobs. When customers come to us, our reputation is on the line. We try everything. Sometimes the answer is a $30,000 machine. Sometimes it's a simple program no one would even think of. The job is knowing which one and never giving up. If you have a problem with a memory card, deleted files, a hardware fault, or a chip-off recovery, Payam's team does it all in-house. Contact them today for a free quote.